your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark.
Hi, welcome to another video. In today's video, as the title suggests, it will be a DIY, do it yourself. And today, I'm gonna do it myself. Remember when you watch the videos to like, to share, and if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet, ensure you do so. Now, what's in this box? So it's a pretty long one. I'm gonna change the angle of the camera so I can open this baby up and show you. But to give you an idea, it's something for my bathroom. So let's go. Let's see what exactly is in there. So let's see, am I gonna be able to do this? So this is the full length of the box that the product came in. What you're seeing here is a little scissors and I have a little screwdriver. I opened the top up already, so I'm gonna lay it flat and I'm gonna start pulling the things out. So, there we go. So just taking it out of the box. So this is one piece to begin with. So it comes covered with plastic. And ta-da! It's wood. And it's gonna be bamboo. So for those of you who saw me do that video at HomeSense, for my shower caddy, I actually got white with a piece of bamboo in it. That's what I ended up getting. And for my bathroom shelf, I decided to go with bamboo and, you know, use that to finish it. So I'm just taking a look at it in terms of the feel. The edges have been rounded off so that you don't get any scrapes or anything. Finishing looks pretty okay. So I'm gonna continue taking this apart and I'm gonna actually leave this space. Since I have this, I'm gonna leave this here to protect not only the floor but this. So I have two pieces, so this is one for one side and this is for the other side. So inside of the box there are other pieces. So let me see what else is in here. 7, 8, 9. It's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines going across. Sides, and that's the bottom. So for each of this, we're gonna screw and line up. So it shouldn't be too hard. So I have 2 pieces and then 5 of these. So I'm gonna continue taking this out and see what happens. So that's 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'm mistaken. I thought it was 5 shells, but I have 4. Yeah, and the only thing actually left is ouch! Instructions, and we need these, the bolts, and it puts a little thing for us to screw. So we're gonna read the instructions, figure this out. So guys, the sides, the holes are a little bit different. So this side, it's bigger, as you can see. And if I turn around, this side is smaller. So my thing is, I'm gonna leave the bigger circles on the inside and the smaller ones on the outside. So that will be better in terms of the look. And what I'm gonna do for the first shelf, I'm gonna sit because, you know, getting kind of old, can't be on the knees like that for too long. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line this up and put the screw in on one side first to kind of hold it together. And once that is done, then I'll be able to put the other side beside it. So I'm gonna put the screws through. So the first shelf is in, and I then need to go and put in the other ones, tighten up the screws. As you can see, it is not balanced. I need to tighten the screws once everything is in. So let's get back to that, and then you'll definitely see the end results and the progress that I'm making. Alright, so I'm almost there, guys. What I'm realizing though, as I go closer and closer, fitting the shelf in, it gets a bit tighter and tighter. So what I did with this one, this is the third shelf. I just put the screws in here. So I put them in, and then I'm gonna line up the top one, because when I was putting it in, I realized that it's becoming closer together, tighter, so harder to put it in. And what I try to do, so I get this to a certain length inside. I don't push it all the way in. And then I do another side, just to ensure that they're lined up properly, because sometimes when I put them in, they don't seem as straight. So I'm doing that all around, get it to a certain level, and then that helps to ensure that it's really in the right slot. Because if I continue to go and I screw and it's not in the right slot as it ought to be, you know, it's gonna take muscle power to get it out, and then I have to do it over. So those are lined up evenly. This screw is slant a little bit, hard to see from that angle, but once I put the Allen key in, and then I ensure that it's in line. It's in line. I'm gonna bring this closer so you guys can actually see. Alright, so it's in line right here, and then I just tighten, and as it goes in more and more, guys, the more muscle, the more energy I actually have to put into it. So see, it just slid in, and then that's it. So I'm gonna go back through all of the other ones. Here it is, all sturdy and everything, and I'm gonna give you the preview. Alright guys, this is the finished product. So 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. I think I did a pretty good job at it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. All of my screws are in properly, well tightened and everything. So the top parts are rounded. The idea is that there are no scratches or scrapes like to your hands or anything. I did find one area on one of these shelves, the top shelf here. If you look right here, you will see it, and that's something I'm going to have to take care of to pull off so that it doesn't go into the finger or anything. But other than that, I am happy with it. It's pretty sturdy. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so, and share the video, like the video, and I leave it the link where on Amazon you can actually find this product if you're, wanting a shelf for your bathroom and everything. So if you're not yet subscribed, please do turn on your notification bell and stick around so that when I finally finish the decor, put it in my bathroom, you will get to see what it looks like. Remember guys, your dreams are possible. Do enjoy the rest of your week, and thanks for watching.